What's up guys, it's me Jimmy again. So here's the Sony A6400. So for viewing image, just click on the camera, click this playback button. Can you see this playback button? Yeah, click this playback button. From here you can easily view the images you like. Yeah, for example this image, and then I can't pinch to zoom, which is the downside. To be honest with you, I need to use this button to zoom, and I need to use the wheel. Sadly there's no pinch zoom. Yeah, I need this button and then use the wheel to zoom in or zoom out. So that's how you view the images. Subscribe and bye.